Get ready, because the camera industry is about to experience a seismic shift that no one saw coming. If you thought the original Nikon Z9 was the ultimate powerhouse, or that the competition had finally caught up, you need to hear this. The latest authenticated leaks surrounding the highly anticipated Nikon Z9 Mark II are nothing short of industry-breaking. We are not talking about a simple firmware update or a minor megapixel bump. We are looking at a masterclass in engineering that fuses medium-format image quality with pure, Hollywood-grade cinema technology, all built into a weather-sealed tank designed for the harshest environments on the planet. Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today, we are breaking down the official leak spec sheet, the groundbreaking red digital cinema integration, and the exact release timeline for the Nikon Z9 Mark II. Stay locked in, because a massive global stock shift reveals exactly when this beast hits the market. If you shoot sports, wildlife, or commercial video, you cannot afford to miss this. The beating heart of any flagship camera is its sensor, and Nikon is completely rewriting the rules of full-frame mirrorless capabilities. According to the most credible industry insiders, the Z9 Mark II is bringing a brand new 46-megapixel stacked CMOS image sensor to the table. You might be wondering why they are sticking to 46 megapixels instead of jumping to 60 or 80. Nikon has prioritized uncompromising, blistering speed and unmatched dynamic range over a meaningless marketing number. This entirely new stacked sensor is reported to be an incredible 3.5 times faster than the original Z9. Let that sink in. 3.5 times faster. By massively increasing readout speed, Nikon virtually eliminates rolling shutter distortion without the severe dynamic range compromises of a global shutter. While competitors push global shutters that sacrifice base ISO performance, Nikon's ultra-fast stacked approach delivers the absolute best of both worlds. You achieve a flash sync speed up to 1/720th of a second, but retain that pristine color science. That underlying sensor speed translates directly into mind-bending continuous shooting capabilities. The Nikon Z9 Mark II is heavily rumored to shoot 60 frames per second in completely uncompressed, full-resolution RAW. We are not talking about cropped JPEGs or heavily processed files. We are talking about 46-megapixel, 14-bit RAW files firing at 60 frames every single second. If you are an aviation photographer, a sports photojournalist, or a wildlife shooter tracking a cheetah at full sprint, this means you will never miss the decisive moment again. And if you need even more speed to capture something truly microscopic in its movement, dropping the camera into DX crop mode will supposedly unlock a staggering 120 frames per second in RAW. You are essentially shooting high-resolution slow-motion video, but every single frame is a highly gradable RAW photograph. But as insane as those photography specs are, the video features are what will truly terrify the competition. Nikon recently finalized their historic acquisition of Red Digital Cinema, the legendary company behind cameras used on the biggest Hollywood blockbusters. The Z9 Mark II is going to be the very first Nikon flagship to fully integrate Red cinematic DNA natively into its software and hardware. The leaks point to the Z9 Mark II supporting 12-bit or 3D Northeast RAW video internally. Yes, authentic red code RAW inside a mirrorless camera body, without needing an external recorder. But it gets even better. The camera will reportedly shoot up to 8.3K resolution in a 3:2 open gate format at 60 frames per second. If you are a modern hybrid shooter or a solo filmmaker, OpenGate is the holy grail. It utilizes the entire sensor, giving you a massive, uncropped canvas. You can shoot one 8.3K clip and extract pristine 4K vertical and horizontal videos from the exact same file without losing any quality. By combining Red's legendary color science with Nikon's OpenGate capabilities, the Z9 Mark II instantly becomes the ultimate hybrid cinema camera. Now, let us talk about image quality, because there is one specific, heavily corroborated leak that has landscape, studio, and commercial photographers absolutely losing their minds. The Z9 Mark II is slated to feature a native base ISO of 32. This is a massive leap forward that is practically unheard of in the modern full-frame mirrorless market. A native ISO of 32 means incredibly clean, noise-free images with a tonal depth and color graduation that rivals medium-format cameras. Imagine shooting a high-fashion portrait in harsh sunlight. That incredibly low base ISO lets you open up your f/1.2 prime lenses completely wide open without needing heavy neutral density filters. It also means the sensor can absorb an immense amount of light data, resulting in unparalleled shadow recovery and highlight retention in post-production. When you combine the massive dynamic range of native ISO 32 with Nikon's new suite of built-in film simulation color profiles, you are getting an image straight out of the camera that requires virtually zero color grading. To handle this massive influx of visual data, Nikon is implementing a brand new processing engine, expected to be called the EXPEED. This next-generation dual-processor setup is the brain that makes the 3.5 times faster sensor and the 8.3K red raw video mathematically possible. But more importantly, this processor powers the next evolution of Nikon's AI deep learning autofocus system. The original Z9 already possesses phenomenal autofocus, but the Mark II is taking subject recognition and predictive tracking to an entirely different dimension. The updated AI will be able to predict erratic subject movement with terrifying accuracy, even when the subject is temporarily obscured by obstacles in the foreground. Whether a bird flies behind a dense cluster of tree branches, or a football player is tackled and blocked by another athlete on the field, the new autofocus system will lock onto the eye, calculate the trajectory, and hold the focus seamlessly until the subject re-emerges. Moving to the physical build and user experience, Nikon deeply understands that professionals rely on their gear to survive war zones, blizzards, and torrential rainstorms. The Z9 Mark II will undoubtedly retain the indestructible integrated vertical grip design, but it will feature highly advanced internal thermal management. Shooting 8.3K red raw at 60 frames per second generates an immense amount of internal heat, but Nikon's new liquid cooling structural architecture will allegedly allow for completely unlimited recording times without the camera ever overheating or shutting down on set. On the back of the camera, you will be looking through a stunning 5.76 million dot electronic viewfinder, inherited and further improved upon from the recent Z6 III. Because of that ultra-fast stack sensor, this viewfinder will offer a completely blackout-free experience with absolute zero lag, making you feel entirely connected to the action unfolding in front of you. Furthermore, in an era increasingly dominated by AI-generated images, the Z9 Mark II is implementing hardware-level content credentials. This system will securely cryptographically tag your photos and videos at the exact moment of capture, permanently proving their authenticity to news agencies, editorial publications, and high-end clients worldwide. So, the ultimate question remains, when can you actually get your hands on this engineering marvel, and how much is it going to drain your bank account? This is where things get incredibly urgent for anyone looking to upgrade. Right now, across major global retailers and distribution centers, we are seeing significant, permanent-looking stock shifts and backorders for the original Nikon Z9. For a flagship camera that has dominated the market for years, a sudden pipeline shift is the ultimate industry red flag. It is a clear, undeniable indicator that Nikon is currently retooling its entire manufacturing production line away from the original Z9 and fully onto the Z9 Mark II. Based on historical data and current supply chain whispers, industry insiders are pointing directly to a massive development announcement in late 2026, with full retail units expected to ship shortly after. As for the price, the original Z9 severely disrupted the market by launching at an aggressive $5,499. Given the native integration of red cinema technology, the revolutionary new sensor, and standard market inflation, you should expect the Z9 Mark II to land somewhere between $5,999 and $6,499. Even at the higher end of that spectrum, considering you are effectively getting a top-tier professional sports photography camera and a dedicated red cinema camera merged into one single, indestructible body, it is an absolute steal. This camera is going to trigger a massive FT in the industry, forcing Sony and Canon to completely tear up their roadmaps and rethink their flagship strategies. The Nikon Z9 Mark II isn't just raising the bar, it is building an entirely new one. We will be tracking every single specification update, firmware leak, and official announcement regarding this revolutionary camera system. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and ensure you are making the smartest gear investments, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button if you are ready for the red and Nikon revolution, and drop a comment down below telling us which feature you are most excited about. Is it the medium format quality native ISO 32, or the internal 8.3K red raw video? Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in to Tap Tech, where we cut through the noise to bring you the authentic future of technology. Keep shooting, keep creating, and we will see you in the next video.